Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are gonna try to call in some coyotes. If the weather is permitting, we're gonna go back up this canyon and see if the rain kind of dies, because I don't want to mess up the camera, but see what happens. Ready? Go ahead, go walk down. Probably in the area right there. And put the camera over here again. Too much rain. Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, walk down. I'll follow you. Yo, we're gonna try to call in some coyotes. Our first setup. Try a different area after this, and then tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, hopefully something comes in. Elvis, behind that bushes. Get on your knees, get on your knees. Here. Don't move too much. See it? Running the other way now. At least it worked. I kinda knew. Dang. Should have stayed put. Go for tank. Our last setup of the day until tomorrow morning. You ready, boy?
Yeah.
See what comes in. Hopefully a huge mountain lion. Our last setup of the day, yo, until tomorrow morning. See how we do. Yo, another close call. I'm pretty sure they know now, but we are gonna get out of here, go home, and try again early in the morning, and tomorrow afternoon again, and in the evening. But hopefully it works out. Well, shall we go to the next setup? Same Javalinas. Javies. Here's the coyote over there. You're calling too. One coyote down. My first coyote. Told you it was gonna come in. Let's go over there. Right when my battery's about to die, yo. I don't know if it's the same coyote we saw over there, but pretty good shot, dude. Yeah. I wonder where the Javalina's went. Freehand, huh, boy?
Yeah.
No bipods, and that decoy is still on the other side. Yo, take some pictures. First coyote. My turn now. Tomorrow.
Alright.
Get a go to the high country and get a Christmas tree, and tomorrow on Monday will be. Yo, my son, cute look. Alright size. Kinda small, but not too small. Finally, after like 5 or 6 setups where nothing, he walked a couple of times last week. One came into one setup, and then the second setup 2 came in, but we were set up kind of dry. Cool, man.
Yeah.
There's the start of our dog hunting season. Damn, my battery's about to die, dude. I have another battery, but cool. Set up, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. It is Saturday afternoon, and we're gonna sit up in this meadow to try to call in some dogs. My dad's gonna set up the decoy. Hopefully something comes out. Yo, dude, right away, yo. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Your second, third one, huh?
It's third.
Cool. Let's go over there. Where is it? Dan, when I was standing over there,
Yeah.
setting up the decoy, I was looking back, and all this shade right here we're in. I
Yeah.
can't even see you, man. So I'm like, damn, it's a pretty champ ambush spot. Cool, man.
Yeah.
The other one run off?
Yeah, I ran that way.
Yep. Coyote down, yo. We're gonna take some pictures and try a different area before the sun goes down. Hey, thanks for watching, yo. See, that's pretty cool. Should get it out of the shit. Go ahead, yo. Third one, huh, dude?
Yeah.
Good shot, man. 170 yards. You drag it into the sun and take some pictures.
Over there.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me take a picture right here. Put the head up. Okay. Yeah, right there, yo. And I'm recording it again. There's a good setup. Morning, guys. Back at it again. See what we bring in today. Stay tuned, man. I got him on camera if you want to shoot. Remember that the X below the main crosshair?
Yeah.
Use that one. The main one and then the first one on the bottom.
First one.
Yeah. Take your time. It fell.
Damn it.
Low. It's alright, it's alright. It saw me walk out there.